channel. For those of you who are new, thank you for stopping by and watching. I hope you like what you see and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm sharing these cute gift tags that I've made. I've used this set of clear acrylic stamps that I picked up at Michael's, and it's a really cute set. It's by Jilly Bean, and it's donuts and coffee, and all these cute little sayings that go with that. There's, you know, you get the coffee cup here, you get 3 different donuts on there, one with a bite out of it. You get the little sprinkles that you can stamp on the top. There's just some cute sentiments that say, do not forget how much I love you. Love life donuts. All you need is love and donuts. Better together. Everything is better with sprinkles. Do not worry, be happy. And you are the sprinkles on my donut. I thought that was so cute, so I wanted to make some tags and maybe some cards later with this set. So I'll show you what I've done. So for the gift tags here, I just used some brown cardstock, and I just cut out my own tags with my paper cutter, and then used my envelope punch board to make the shape at the top here. I stamped on this one, everything is better with sprinkles. The coffee cup and the little donut with the bite out of it. And then I used some of the stickle glitter to kind of bling that up a bit. And I used this little stamp that came with that set as well along the bottom for a little decoration. I thought it looked cute, kind of like sprinkles too. So I did that one. This is another one with the same sentiment. Everything is better with sprinkles. It's the coffee cup and a donut, and I've added some more color on that one and some glitter on there as well. So that's cute. And I did a couple with this sentiment that says, don't worry, do not worry, be happy. So just stamp some donuts on there as well, and kind of bling them up a bit. And then here's another one. All you need is love and donuts. And added a little stamp on there that said love. So that was really cute. And here's another one. This one's a little longer one. Most of these are about 2 3/4 by 4 for most of my tags. This one I did a little bit longer. This is probably more like by 7, but so it looks like that. I thought these would be really cute to if you were giving a little box of Timbits. Those are like little bite-sized donuts in Canada that we have, and they're popular, and you could just package up a few donuts in a little cellophane bag and add a nice gift tag like this. And then for the hanging part here, I used my Crop-A-Dile and added the little eyelets on top here, and then added some just kind of rustic string for this. You could add different baker's twine if you wanted. Some black and white would be nice on here. But that's what I've done. So I've got one all stamped up here, and I'll show you how I put the eyelet in, and add some little glitter on there. So I'll be right back to do that. Okay, just having a sip of coffee here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I put the hole in the top. This is my Crop-A-Dile that I've got. I'm just getting used to using this. So you can do 3/16 inch holes and 1/8 inch holes with this. And these ones I just did the smaller, the 1/8 inch hole. And so you just kind of line it up. I'm just kind of eyeballing it here in the center, just like that. And you've got your little hole there for the string or ribbon to go through. And then you're going to want to add your little eyelet. So you can buy these little containers that have the eyelets in, and this one came with different colors of the eyelets. So you can just sort of pick a color that you like or that you think goes with this. I'm going to use the little rose gold one for this. And then you just put it in the hole there, and you will I have my Crop-A-Dile set on the correct setting for this size, and it's all lined up here. And there's instructions if you get one of these that'll tell you which numbers and letters to put these on. And then you just want to make sure it says base on the bottom when you're putting this in. And you put that into the little hole there. And then once you get it in there, it'll just hang on. You just squeeze a bit and then do the final, let's see if I got that in the right, final squeeze there. Takes 2 hands for me, but and then there it is. It flattens it out and it's ready to put your string through. So I've got a piece cut here. Let's see if I can get this in. There we go. And I just pull it through like this. Tie a little knot in it like that. You can trim that if it's too long, but that's just that simple. So that's fun to do. And then on the little donuts here, I'll add some of this little glitter to just kind of bling it up a bit. So can you see what I'm doing here? There we go. There's that there. And then I have another little lighter one here. It's a little more silvery. I'll do that on this one. Just some small little dots on here. You can never have too many sprinkles on your donuts, right? So there, that's my craft for today. So I hope you enjoyed that and feel inspired. And thanks again for watching. Bye for now.